Hi everyone, welcome to Patty's Polish Corner. Today we have the big reveal of the Zoya mystery bag for this year. A couple years ago they did a mystery box and I purchased that and I really liked it. They had a lot of stuff in there that I got to try that I was totally in love with. So this year I took advantage and purchased the mystery bag. They haven't had anything since that last mystery box, so this is the first thing that came out. With this promotion, you got to pick 6 polishes. The whole collection here was $49. Shipping was free. It comes with a little coupon card with 4 special offers and then some information on what you receive. So this is the mystery bag. If you purchased it and want to be surprised, you might want to not watch this video. If you didn't purchase it but are curious to see what goodies I got, maybe you'll be interested in a promotion like this in the future, then keep watching. Okay, so for my 6 polishes, I picked the Natural collection from this year. I really love all these polishes. These are pretty cool. So I was really excited to be able to get them in this with this promotion. And let's see what we have in here. So I like this bag a lot. I have one like it that I just purchased the bag. And I do like it for putting nail polish and stuff in. So what comes in here, let's see what we got. So in this side, we have some of their Remove Plus remover, which I love. I use this all the time now. It's the only remover I use on my nails. And I like these little bottles. These are nice to sit on my desk or to come with me when I go visit my mom. Then they have the Hydrating Hand and Body Serum, and I do love this a lot. I got this in my last mystery box, and I bought the large size for myself, and I do love it. So this is really great. I'm glad to have this. And this is the Healing Hand and Body Cream, and I love this too. This is a nice size to throw in your purse or keep at your desk if you're working, which I work from home now, right now, so I'll just save it for when I'm going somewhere. So this is nice. I do love this hand cream. I have a big one, and it's making my hands nice and silky soft. So this is really nice. So that's what was on this side. And then on this side, we have, this is the new Glossy Seal top coat, which is totally awesome. Okay, so the new Glossy Seal comes with the Z-Wide brush, which I love. It is ultra durable and flexible, so it says it's the strongest defense against chipping for up to 7 days. It's ultra shiny, and it is ultra fast drying. 2 times fast drying. So I'm kind of interested to try that, and that's a really good deal. Next thing we have here is a lipstick. I think it's at assorted colors. So I think maybe a lot of people got different colors or something like that. I don't know. I just got this beige color. And let's see. This is the Back to Basics Classic Lipstick Cream. And it allows your lips to stay moist for hours. It is a medium wear formula that is specifically designed to last 4 to 6 hours without cracking or drying. And it is lightweight and well pigmented. Let's see what else we have. Now this is interesting. So this is part of the Jelly Cure kit. However, I am reading everything on this, and I don't think you need the lamp to use these two things. And I didn't actually realize that you could just use this as a serum and base coat to restore your nails. So here is the Rescue Serum, and you just rub some Rescue Serum into your nails and cuticles until it's dry on your fingers. So that's the first step. And then the second step is to use this repair base. Now let's see, the repair base you put on over the serum, and this locks the serum into your nail. Let's see. It locks the Rescue Serum into the keratin of the nail. And the repair base contains invisible fillers that strengthen your nail as well as smooth out nail ridges, flaking, and separation. And the repair base also contains optical diffusers for healthier looking nail. So I didn't actually know, and it doesn't say anything about curing this under a light. So I didn't actually realize that you could just use this as a base coat without the other parts to it. But it doesn't say on any of these pamphlets that you have to cure this. So that's nice. And then we've got this. This is a spray-on total repair oil. And this is unscented. And it's a body oil. And it's got jojoba and argan oils that mimic the skin's natural whatever, and delivers vitamins A, D, E, and omega-3 and 6 to revitalize and replenish skin. And it's in a little spray bottle. So I'm kind of really, I love oil. So I'm really excited to get that. And then we've got one more thing in here, and it is a nail file and a buffer. So I love nail files and buffers. Keep them all over the place. So that's pretty cool. So I really like everything that I got. I'm totally excited about this package, and I hope you like it too. That's it for this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.